Welcome to Learn and Fun with Arko. Hello friends, today I am back with my board to do some more maths. So, what are we going to do today? Today we are going to learn LCM and HCF. So, what is LCM? First we will learn about LCM. Now look, what does LCM mean? LCM means least common multiples. HCF means highest common factor. Okay? Now, let's first understand LCM. LCM. First, we need to take some numbers. I will take 3 numbers like 12. These are the numbers that I am going to take. Now, how to get the LCM of these? First, I will write these numbers. Now, draw lines like this. Okay? Look, a crisscross. Okay? Now, we have to write a number here. The number should divide all 3 numbers or 2 numbers. Okay? All 3 numbers or 1 number or 2 numbers. Now, let's find a number that divides all the numbers. So it is 2. 2 can divide these. 2 6 times 12, 2 8 times 16, 2 11 times 22. Now, we need to find a number that can divide these. In LCM, if we can't divide all the numbers, then we need to find a number that can divide some of the numbers. So, we need to find a number that can divide these two. So, it is again 2. 2. Now, put a line. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. And because we didn't divide 11, 11 will not be changed. The numbers that are not divided will not be changed while getting them down. Now, what can divide these 3? Look, 3 can't be divided. If we take 3, then this will be divided, not these 2. If we take 4, these 2 won't be divided. And if we take 11, only this will be divided. These 2 won't be. Now, what we will do? We will take a number that can divide only one of these. Okay? Now, we need to find a number that can divide only one of these. So, I can take 11 or 4 or 3 or 2. Because 2 can also divide 4. I will take 2. Now, 2 will 2 times 4. Now 3 is entrenched, so it will come down like this, and 11 like this. Now, we need to take another number that can divide one of these numbers because we can't divide these together. Now, I will tell you one more thing. In LCM, we keep dividing until we get to 1 at the very last. So now I will take 11. Or I can take 2. I will take 2. And I will divide this. 2 1 times 2. Now 3 is entrenched. 11 is entrenched. Now I will take 3. 3 ones are 3. This 1 isn't changed and 11 isn't changed. Now, the last number that I take will be 11, because now after I divide 11 with 11, it will become 11 once times 11, and these all will come to 1. So as I told, we keep dividing until we'll get to 1 at the very last. So look, we got to 1. Now, this is not the end. We need to multiply these numbers. Okay? We need to multiply these numbers on this side. So, not these. Not these. We need to multiply these on this side. So, there is 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 11. So, now we need to multiply all these numbers. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Now, 16 times 3. I like to separate these 2-digit numbers. So, 3 tens and 3 sixes. So, 3 tens are 30 and 3 sixes are 11. No, 18. So, now 30 plus 18. I keep saying the wrong numbers. 30 plus 18 will be 48. So, 48 times 11. 48 multiplied by 11 is 528. So, now 528 is the final number because we multiplied all these numbers. There is no more numbers to multiply. So 528 is the LCM of these three numbers. So it is the LCM of 12, 16 and 22. Now let's clearly understand what LCM is. Now LCM means, look, first we need to find the numbers that are common in the tables of 12, 16 and 22. Now, after we find those numbers, we need to find the least number that is common in the table of 12, 16 and 22. So, 528 is the least number common in the tables of 12, 16 and 22. So that is LCM. Now let's learn HCF. So now let's learn about HCF. So I will take the same numbers in the HCF. Now look, what is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Now, how to do HCF? So I will take the same numbers. It is almost the same as LCM, just a few changes. Look, we will draw the line again. Now, in LCM, we kept on dividing till we get to 1. But in this, it is a bit different. So first, like is usual, we need to find a number that divides these three. So it will be 2, 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 11s are 22. Now, in HCF, we can keep on dividing until we can't find a number that can divide all of these numbers. So look, 2 can divide all of these. So we started, and now look, there is no number that can divide 11, 8 and 16. So as I told, we can do HCF until we can't find a number that can divide all of these numbers. So look, there is no number that can divide all of these numbers. So the HCF ends. Let's try it with another. With 5. Draw the lines. And now start. So what can divide all these three? So can it be 2 can't divide these odd numbers. 3 can't divide all. It can divide this, but not all. 5 can't be divided with 3. So now 4 can't divide these. And 5 can divide all. So 5. Yeah. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 fives are 25. Now, there is no number that can divide all of these. 5 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 1 can't be divided. So look, again, we just gone one step far and stopped because we can't find any numbers that can divide all these 3 numbers. Okay? So this was HCF. Now look, in LCM we find out the answer by multiplying the numbers on this side. So in HCF the same, we multiply the numbers on this side. So 5, there is only 5, so nothing to multiply with, so 5. 5 is the answer of this HCF. Now, what does HCF mean? So 5, look, 15. Okay, 5 has some factors, right? 5 has 1 and 5. Now 15. 15 has 1, 3 and 5. Why did I miss instead of 15? Now 25 has some factors. This 1. Okay, let's go. Then 5. Then 25. So look, HCF means the number that is common in the list of factors. Okay, we need to find a number that is common in all the lists of factors here. So 5 is common in these lists. So, and also 5 is the highest number that is common in the lists of factors. Okay? So that is what is HCF. 5 is common in this, common in this, common in this. And there is no number that is bigger than 5 and common in all these lists of numbers. So this was HCF. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.